I work for S3 Company at the most eastern part of our country, the city of Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky. S3 is one of the largest distribution companies, with offices and staff in all Russian major cities, with more than 800 employees. I'm proud to be part of this great team.
I also work in the Far East, but in Khabarovsk. In less than 20 years, our company has grown from a small wholesaler to a serious federal distributor of world-famous brands, as well as its own brands. We work in 3 product areas, and our partners can make wholesale purchases of small appliances and accessories, electrical goods, and home and garden wares without resorting to the services of different providers. This is what single source supplier means, i.e. S3.
I work in one of the 9 S3 offices in Vladivostok. We are separated by thousands of kilometers from our capital city, so when we finish our workday, our colleagues only start to work in Moscow. Despite these difficulties, we are one team and achieve success in all market segments. In Russia, we occupy a leading position in the distribution of batteries and chargers, and we are also the largest Duracell distributor in EMEA. Light bulbs, GE, Philips, Era, accessories, Sennheiser, Trust, Intro.
I live in the center of Russia, in Yekaterinburg. In our branch, like in all others, we have 2 dedicated sales teams, Line of One organization, a national distribution team, and also managers of different sales channels, consumer electronics, e-commerce, hypermarkets, supermarkets, and DIY, and the wholesale divisions. I'm at the Line of One team, and I'm responsible for the business of Braun, Oral-B in the Ural region. Our team consists of 70 people, and together we cover more than 1,500 stores throughout Russia.
I work in the national distribution team in the south of our country, the Krasnodar region. Our national distribution team includes 8 regional managers, 55 regional representatives in 52 major cities, and we cover 12,000 stores. In total, our company employs 300 sales managers.
I work in Russia's most beautiful city, St. Petersburg. My job is to provide a display of goods at the store and place all POS materials. As you can see, all products are marked with special stickers in accordance with Russian legislation. This is done at our central warehouse. At each store, I enter all necessary data into my tablet and send it to my colleagues at the central office, where they can immediately evaluate the result. This system, which is called paperless, allows to see the situation in all Russian retail stores in actual time. As a result, all necessary decisions made efficiently and quickly. This allows me to carry out my responsibilities more effectively. Of course, I am assisted by our team of promoters, which covers more than 300 people in 98 Russian cities.
I am situated in the heart of our country, in Moscow. Moscow is the location of our central office, where managers are responsible for the development of the biggest clients. We work with all main federal and regional chains in all business segments: consumer electronics, hypermarkets and supermarkets, DIY and e-commerce. In order to serve such big customers, a high level of logistical service is needed. During the day, we perform 50,000 operations of product acceptance and shipment. This is normal in our warehouse because our company has more than 10,000 SKUs that are shipped every day in individual, modular packages to thousands of customers. The conveyor line passes through 12 sections of storage, each of which has the necessary range of products. Here, the warehouse management system, WMS, is implemented, which provides the automation and optimization of all processes of the warehouse operation. S3 is not simply a company of well-established processes, but primarily our people. Our main asset is our employees. Now we have more than 800 well-trained people. We are one friendly team, one family.
I love visiting this store. Everything is neat and the staff is very competent. Yet most importantly, there are products that are so necessary for me and my husband. Thank you, S3.
Kaliningrad, 9 a.m. The workday begins. At the same time, in Petropavlovsk-Kamchatski, it's 7 p.m. and the workday is over. These cities are separated by 10 time zones and 7,430 kilometers, yet they are united in one common cause and love for people. S3. Single source supple. Everything from a battery to a vacuum cleaner in one place, meeting the needs of our entire community.